Namaste, I'm Commander Bimal Raj. I've been working with teenagers and tweens for many years now, and I've been creating programs for them so that they can come out to their full potential. I believe that today there are too many distractions for them and too many things that take their focus away from what they can achieve in their lives. And I was looking for answers on how I can help them so that they can achieve their full potential. And that is when I came across a program which, if they follow certain yogic exercise for a certain period of time, that can really help them achieve their true potential and get their focus and mind completely on their goals and move forward in life. And today, I'm in conversation with Siddhaguru Atmananda Ji. Namaste, Guruji. Siddhaguru Atmananda Ji, who is a medical doctor by qualification, he has designed this program especially for kids, teens and tweens in mind because of a love for kids, because he believes that kids are the future. And I'm very excited to know more about this program from him. So thank you so much, Guruji, for allowing me to know more about this program. So my question to you is, please explain to me what this program is and how it is going to be beneficial for the kids.
The name of this intensive training program is called Sukshma Drashta. The word Sukshma Drashta means a person or a state of mind which can perceive the finer niceties or finer details of a complex and critical information in the first attempt. So, what is happening? Today, we are bombarded with a lot of information. You go to school, you go to college, you go to any place of learning these days. Learning mainly has become a shower of information. When you have a lot of information, you, in the form or in the process of collecting a lot of information, forget to absorb the finer essence or the finer details of that information. Thereby, you feel, that's what, you feel full of information, but you feel empty of content. That is the reason why I say we complete engineering, medicine, or any professional course. Most these days, they say most people are not truly employable because they have not actually learned a lot of skill or understanding about the content of the subject. Why is that so? Because people forget to absorb the finer niceties of the content because they are already bombarded heavily with information. So today we need a specific kind of a training because in 20 years back, 30 years back, the content was not that vast. The content was, if you talk about engineering, there was not much subject. Today, engineering, the field of engineering has evolved and there is huge content in it. The field of medicine, huge content in it. New discoveries have led to evolution of the content. So today, children have more pressure on them because the content earlier, 30 years back engineer and today engineering content is not the same. Even if you try to compare the content, the quality of the content is not at all the same. Even if you adjust to the quality of the content, the scale of application of the content is at an altogether different scale these days. So these days we need a kind of training where we neurocognitively enhance our perceptive capabilities and absorb the finer niceties or finer details of the information provided to us in such a fashion that we can apply it to the scale that is expected out of us. Are you able to understand? it is very important to enhance our perceptiveness to such an extent that we not only absorb the finer details of the content that we learn, but also simultaneously apply it. Now, when this has to come, you need to have a lot of mental capacity and an emotional stability to understand the entire gamut of information processing that's happening within your system. So, to understand and to get that kind of a capability, our brain has to get more neuroplastic, the plasticity of the brain has to be improved. And the cognition capability of the human being also should be improved. When you have a higher level of cognition, to give you a simple understanding, you see, when they prepare for Group 1 services, IAS, they don't just train for information, they train for aptitude. And once they are trained for such aptitude, now they know what to do with the information. That is the reason why once you are an IAS officer, you are posted into things that you are an engineer, after that you did Group 1 services, and then you are posted into fisheries. Still, they are able to perceive what is to be done, because you develop an aptitude of a perceiver. You can perceive everything faster. So that is the reason why the training for all Group 1 services is all about perception training. Life, if you want to really excel at it, your perception training should be extensively done. And younger the better. If you develop that kind of skill in the early age, it's better. So if an IAS officer is given a task, though he doesn't know the content, he can easily perceive it, observe, because the training allows him to do so. And he will be able to do comparatively a better job. Then straightforward, you take an engineer and then you put him into fisheries, then his mind will go blank. But you take an engineer, train him into Group 1 services, and then IAS training that goes into an institute. And that aptitude training to perceive data, apply data is given. And then you put him into fisheries, banking, social welfare things. You put him into anything, him or her, they'll be able to perceive, absorb, and reciprocate and apply the data in the right fashion. So consciousness level is very important. But for that to happen, mental, that is the reason why so many people try, only very few people achieve, because our hardware, brain, and our nervous system have to be tuned to that higher level of cognition skills. So this Sukshma Drashta program that was designed through the techniques of the ancient Sanatana Dharma is a neurocognitive enhancement process. Neurocognitive, the nervous system, the brain and the body is tuned to or improved, enhanced through various exercises, yogic exercises, to hold and utilize the higher levels of cognition in man. And once this is done, they experience that enormous bird's eye view, capability and competence of the subject. And once they absorb or that kind of a content, or they absorb that kind of capability and competence, they automatically enjoy what they're doing and they naturally excel in what they're doing.